Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leanna if you're new, and today I am going to be telling you about my favorite Amazon products. Now these are products that I got on Amazon that have added a significant amount of convenience into my life and joy as well. Also wanted to take a quick second to tell you guys about my new Amazon page. I made a little storefront on Amazon and I listed all my favorite products on there. I have several categories on my storefront, from filming to my random hobbies to makeup that I recommend. So in case you are curious about any of that, then please go check it out. It is linked down in the description box below. So yeah, the products that I'm going to talk about today have been life-changing. They are the god tier of my Amazon favorites, okay? Okay, so the first thing on the list is this ring light that I have. You can probably see its reflection in my eyeballs. I know it's like specific for content creators, but even if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can get a lot of use out of it for taking selfies. For example, here is a picture with the ring light, and here is a picture without the ring light. And it was under $30. And the one that I had before was very janky. I got it for $60 on eBay and it was just so not worth it. And so this ring light is my new love. Now the next thing on this list is my mini straightener. And I honestly didn't even know that straighteners came in like mini sizes, but this has been revolutionary, life-changing, you know, fitting with the current theme of the video, life-changing Amazon things. But yeah, I use this mini straightener to straighten out my bangs every single morning because I wake up with bangs like this, and that's not presentable. And because my hair is a little bit on the shorter side as well, I use this to kind of straighten out my ends sometimes. And yeah, I haven't used my regular size straightener in a really long time because of this. Love it. Now the next thing on this list is the Carta Polygel nail kit. I really like doing my own nails, and you may recognize this from one of the 3 nail videos that I've done with polygel. If you want to check those out, they will be in the description box below. But this has been life-changing. Like, I'm not even being dramatic. I currently have polygel nails right now. If you haven't seen any of my nail videos and you have no idea what I'm talking about, they're just like acrylics but better. They are way easier to do, and this kit comes with 6 different colors and just this amazing top coat and base coat, and a little brush and some files and some dual forms as well. And it's not very hard, and it'll look like you got it done at a salon. I feel like I really got my money's worth. The next item on this list is my blue light glasses. At first I thought they were going to be just a frivolous purchase that I would regret and then return, but these have improved my life significantly. Of course it has. I spend a lot of time staring at screens, editing, doing homework, looking at YouTube videos, procrastinating. All that requires me to be on the internet. So this nifty little thing helps you block the blue light that comes from your screen that makes your eyes blurry at the end of the day and your head hurt. And ever since I started wearing these, I feel like I haven't really had strained vision lately, because now my eyes don't get tired as easily. And as you can see, there's this like yellowish tint on the lens. Honestly, to me it looks pretty cool. Highly recommend, and they're super cute too with the leopard frames. Now the next thing is this Bluetooth remote, which I have handy dandily included on my keychain. And this helps me use my phone to take my own Instagram pictures, because usually when I'm out and about and I'm looking cute and I don't have anyone to take my Instagram pictures, I get really sad. So this helps me. This is way better than just using the self timer, because you can click the instant you know that you're ready, and you can also like sneakily hide it like in your pocket or something, or like behind you. These are some pictures that I've taken with the remote. Now this is a basic black fanny pack, and I don't know why I didn't have a fanny pack before, but just having the convenience of a fanny pack is phenomenal, and I highly recommend getting one. Before I got one, I always found myself in situations where I was like, man, my life would be so much easier if I had a fanny pack right now. And so I got one, and my life has been. Now this is a nail drill. If you don't do your own nails, you definitely don't need one, but I just feel like I had to include it in this video because it's added so much convenience into my life. Like when I'm doing my nails and it's a little bit messy, all I have to do is just clean it up a little bit with this super fast spinning drill. And I feel like this is really, really good quality and I really got my money's worth. And it comes with a bunch of different tips as well. Now the next thing is this body analyzer scale. And I have been using this to track my body weight and my body fat percentage and just like all the other things that it tells you.
Just wanted to put in a little quick disclaimer. The only reason I have the scale is to track my progress in my fitness since I have been on a weight gain journey for the past couple of years. But if you don't have a use for a scale, then definitely don't get it. Your weight doesn't determine your self-worth at all. I know many people prefer to track their progress with progress photos instead, so if that works for you, then great, but personally I think it's helpful for me to see the numbers. So that's why I got one.
I know a scale like this isn't the most accurate method of measuring those things, but it still provides a pretty decent ballpark, and I feel like it was really worth it. And this is really good quality, and it's super sleek, super shiny. And the last thing on this list is this Dirt Devil vacuum cleaner. Oh my god, I am such a grandma, but you know, I'm 21 and in the past couple years I've just been trying to be an adult, and this vacuum is amazing. I really like vacuuming for some reason. It's one of my favorite chores, and I think it's just really satisfying seeing all the crap on the floor like getting sucked up, and then once you empty the thing, like you see all that's been in your room, even though it's a little bit gross, but like hey, it's out of the carpet now. So yeah, this is a really nice, powerful little vacuum, and it's super compact. It was super cheap, and all you have to do is clean the filter every once in a while, and it will, you know, do its job really efficiently, easily. One of my favorite things that I've ever gotten on Amazon. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Those are my favorite Amazon purchases of all time. I highly recommend every single one of those products that I talked about, and really think that you should get them for yourself. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!